Welcome to ABC Home Expert. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey of transforming your home or apartment into a space that reflects your vision and lifestyle. Every great remodeling project begins with a conversation. When you reach out to us, we take the time to understand your needs, style, and vision of your space, whether it's a single room, an apartment, or your entire home. Next, we meet to discuss your ideas, set a realistic budget, and plan a timeline. Once we've gathered all the details, our expert team begins the planning process. Every measurement and detail is double-checked to ensure accuracy, no matter how large or small the project. Our designers then create 3D renderings of your space, allowing you to visualize how your remodeled home or apartment will look. This step ensures that your vision aligns perfectly with the plan, giving you confidence before construction begins. With the plans approved, we dive into the most exciting part, design and selection. Together, we choose materials, finishes, and details that reflect your style and meet your needs. Whether it's flooring, wall colors, or cabinetry, every detail is carefully chosen to ensure your space is not only beautiful, but functional. Our team collaborates with you at every step to make sure your choices bring your vision to life. This process sets the stage for a stunning transformation. At the job site, our skilled team works with precision, from demolition to finishing touches. Every step is carefully planned to stay on schedule and within budget, ensuring a seamless remodeling process. As the door opens, you see the result of collaboration and dedication. At ABC Home Expert, we don't just remodel houses and apartments. We transform spaces to reflect your lifestyle and aspirations. From design to installation, every detail is crafted to perfection. Our team ensures that your remodeled space is not only stunning but also functional and tailored to your needs. Ready to start your remodeling project? Contact ABC Home Expert today and let's create something extraordinary together.